As the market is recovering and Bitcoin is making new weekly highs, XRP is moving upward too, along with the market. But the news that I am going to share with you guys now will make you want to have XRPs in your bag. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel, Tech Hub, where you'll be always getting your daily dose of crypto, news, and entertainment. It is also important to note that I am not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So before investing, you must always do your own due diligence. So let's start the video without any further delay. Many analysts anticipate that Ripple XRP will reach mass adoption in the coming 2 to 5 months, which implies that the barrier for XRP will be broken, which has been preventing XRP from skyrocketing for the past 3 years. Here's the first explanation for this. As we all know, Russia stated last week that it will move to a ruble-only payment system for unfriendly countries starting this week. On the other side, we know that China, India, and several South American countries have been selling their USD dollar holdings and buying gold in droves. All of this demonstrates precisely what Ripple has been promoting since its inception. Most importantly, Ripple is now replacing old-age financial systems with a new financial system based on blockchain and cryptocurrency. You may have heard central banks discussing the creation of their own central bank digital currency. Exactly. All of those CBDCs will use the XRP ledger to run on a single global blockchain. Isn't it enormous? Imagine where XRP will come to a halt if this happens. For the time being, $5 will suffice. Some people have begun to claim that all of these so-called wars and other global and local dramas, such as sanctions and bans on whatever, are merely meant to divert your attention away from what is going on right in front of your eyes. Do you believe in such statements? Do you think all these war-based scenarios around the world are just distractions and not World War III? Let us know below. Furthermore, getting back to the topic, their main concept is that they are nearing completion of the reset. And one of the crucial things that go into the reset is the economy, aka SWIFT 2.0. So, do you know what SWIFT 2.0 is all about? Don't worry, I'll be here to assist you. So, in a nutshell, SWIFT 2.0 is a worldwide payment system that uses the country's currency. As a result, while Russia will continue to supply natural gas to the EU, and the EU will design a system in which it will continue to pay Russia in euro, Russian banks will receive ruble instead. Consider this scenario. What exactly does this imply? I, along with some of the most influential personalities adoring XRP, believe it indicates that sanctions will lose their effectiveness not just against Russia, but also against China, South American countries, and the rest of the world. Globalists will seize complete and absolute control of the payments system, and you will either be able to use it or not. Let me remind you of something I said back in 2017. It's no coincidence that you've seen news pieces about Ripple helping China's central bank system grow up to transact in yen and other foreign currencies through the XRP ledger. You may have missed the announcement at the time, but it is now. It's time for XRP to take over the payment world. Finally, as the crypto market continues to rise, the new global finance is on its way, which will be based on Ripple, run on XRPL, transact on XRP, and result in CBDC from various countries' central banks. I know it's getting increasingly clear, but they warned us about it a long time ago, and now we've arrived at that point. Complete command. And I don't want any of my followers to miss out, so I'm recommending that you think about it, and if you think it's a good idea, go ahead and buy some XRP now, when it's barely worth $1, but only after completing your study. Furthermore, April is a critical month in the XRP versus SEC case, as the defendants in the complaint against the US SEC, Bradley Garlinghouse, Christian Larson, and Ripple Labs, Incorporated, have filed a motion for an extension. They are requesting more time to reply to the Commission's proposed redactions of key documents. According to the move, the defendants wish to assess the evidence to see whether they have any objections to the suggested redactions. The long-running, contentious litigation appears to be stretching into April, with various responses and findings. So, let's see what happens. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about anything, or if you think I have missed any latest news that you want me to cover, as I always say to mention that below in the comment box. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech Hub. Until then, goodbye.